This 2026 Tiffin Wayfarer 25XRW is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, water heater, TV, awning, air conditioning, slide-out, LP detector, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front kitchen, front living area, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2026 Tiffin Wayfarer 25XRW is built on a Mercedes-Benz 3500XD Dual Wheel Cutaway Chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.